What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about Snapchat basics and just how they're seen and really just kind of get a handle on what the platform is. So, Snapchat, if you don't use it, is a mobile first platform where people share different videos and messages. And you can see here's an example of an ad interspliced in with someone's different messages, one for Chase here. It's a real mobile first, like I said, site, and everything opens full screen. Has a lot of high user engagement. I would say there's around 80 million people, or I think it's 82 million as of 2018 December on the platform, and it's just a platform that is that's continuing to grow. So here's some more. I mean, there's main three different ways that, as of right now, that you can view Snapchat ads. So one of the ways is through messages, and that's like the most common one. There's also the Discover tab, which might be on the right side of the app, and it's where people can view premium content within Snapchat from partners like CNN, CNBC. Basically, it's Snapchat's attempt at being a media company. So either way, you get 10 seconds within Snapchat to tell your story, and most people are frantic on it. It's a platform where people are constantly swiping and pushing, so you really got to hit them hard with the creative in the beginning. Creative is huge because it's full screen, and it's it's everything on this platform. So those are some of the ways that somebody could view a Snapchat